Hey, drywall repairman here. Look at this. Just helped the buddy finish patio. Sheetrock, tape, and textured. Nice patio ceiling. This is a larger project. My channel mostly has patches, stress cracks, stuff like this. Larger projects like these, you're going to need a couple guys or even a crew to come on and do it. This was about 10 sheets of sheetrock. But yeah, patio ceiling with a nice skip trowel texture. Let that texture dry for 24 hours and then you turn around and primer and paint. If you're going to have sheetrock on patios like this, you're going to have to paint it with a high quality exterior. I recommend a semi-gloss through eggshell paint. You don't want to do flat paints on patios. The gloss paints help protect. You want to use a high quality exterior paint. These exterior paints will help seal it up and protect it from the heat, wind, cold, stuff like that. Patio ceilings won't last 10, 20 years without fresh paint. I recommend always repainting patios. I'd say between the 5 to 10 year mark, you're always going to repaint fresh paint on new patios to help seal them up and protect them from the elements. Sheetrock is a cheaper alternative. Some people like to do stucco or they do wood paneling, stuff like that. So if you're going to have sheetrock on your patios, you're going to have to paint it with a high quality exterior paint. This side looks like his paint, he used a flat gray paint, so I always recommend doing a gloss paint. It'll help seal it up. You get a lot of wind coming in here, heat. Today it's 100 degrees out, a hot windy day, so it does a lot of damage over time. It dries out the sheetrock and dries out the tape and seams, and you start getting buckling seams. But this patio, we did fiberglass mesh on the joint tapes. We coated it with a 40-minute hot mud. Did a second coat with another coat of hot mud and then finished it off with a skip trowel with a joint compound. So it's a very strong finish with the fiberglass mesh tapes, the hot mud coats, and then the joint compound texture. So it's really strong. So it's going to take a lot of weathering and a lot of movement for anything to happen to this patio. But hey, this is Drywall Repair Channel. This is just a bigger job than I usually do. I'm just trying to get introductory into my channel. Drywall repairs, we mostly do patch stuff under a half a sheet of drywall, stress cracks, patches, stuff like this. This is just a project I'm helping a buddy on, get the patio finished. He needed help because a job like this takes 2 or 3 guys to get it done correctly and get it done efficiently. But hey, this is Drywall Repairman. Please, thank you for watching.